Hello all, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see if photos are disappearing from your Android gallery. For example, I'm just taking a picture now. So this is a picture I have just took with my camera, and as soon as I take this picture, it will be get uploaded to the Google Photos, which is on my mobile. See here. Just now I took this picture, and for example, if due to the memory concerns or the storage concerns, if you delete this particular uh, picture from your Google Photos app, it will be also deleted on your, see here, the recent photo. See, I'll open this, the gallery. Okay, there is no recent photo which I have just took with my camera. Means if you delete a photo on the Google Photos, that would also get deleted in your gallery. I will again take a picture. See here, now I'll again take a picture. Okay, now on the gallery this is available. Now I'll try to open Google Photos app, and I'll try to delete here. So as soon as I delete on the, I'll refresh this. I'll just see here. On my gallery, the photo got disappeared or deleted. This is just because you have deleted on the Google Photos. But what you can do, if you really want that photo back, there is one chance you can recover it or restore it. Open the Google Photos app. On collections, click on the collections here and click on the trash here. As soon as you delete some pictures, this picture won't be deleted permanently, because those pictures will be available for 30 days. See here, 29 days left until permanently deleted. So I can have the option of clicking restore here. So I have restored that photo, and I also I want to restore this one also. So now we'll check our gallery. Okay, yeah. See, these two pictures what I have just deleted from the Google Photos disappeared from the gallery, but when I restore, they are back to my gallery. If this tutorial is helpful to you, please do hit a like. This would really help me. And I hope your problem gets solved. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.